What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Review, and right here we have a CJC socket fan. Now, as y'all know, I have reviewed socket fans on the channel before. I reviewed, I think, at least 2 to 3 of them. I'm for sure it was 2 of them that I reviewed. But this one here, it looks like a regular ceiling fan, which is pretty nice. And again, it goes into your socket. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is a 17-inch fan, 1000 lumens. So there goes your temperatures right there. All right, you can pause it, do what you gotta do. There y'all go. Now I don't have to edit. Y'all can pause it, do what you have to do, check it out. All right, time's up. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I seen these things. These things are getting a little popular, especially this style, as far as looking like an actual ceiling light. I purchased a brown one, but you know, they have white if you want to get white. As you know, you have your extensions right here. You have your light, your fan, your blades, and you guys, this is all so small. I just want to see how hard it blows now. So they give you one that looks like wood, and then one is just like plastic brown. That's pretty awesome. All right, so is this easy to install? Where's the instructions? No instructions? Okay, here's the instructions. From what it looks like, it's just clipped on. All right, so you have like 3 little notches right there. It's like 3 notches, 3 holes. Gonna put it in, and then that's it. You guys, this is so cool. I actually like this. I wonder if I could put this on my ceiling fan and have more air hit you in the face. Cool thing about this is it comes with a remote. If you do have this up in a high area, just note that you do have a remote and it comes with a mount. All right, so I do need AAA batteries. You got all of your different numbers on here. And yes, this has a summertime and wintertime mode. All right, you guys, so this does have the reversible motor. As y'all know, fans go in reverse. Well, I don't know about all fans, but most fans should go in reverse. There should be a winter mode and there should be a summer mode. With that being said, let me go ahead and install this. This is a fun fan, you guys. This is not, I don't think this is something that you should be taking very serious. This is not like the super fans that we reviewed on this channel and installed. So take the socket protector off, and then you have your extensions right here. So you can extend it right there and extend it right here. So you have 2 different extensions. Extensions are black. That's what you get with the product. All right, black, brown. And that's about it. Let's go ahead, get into it, see how this thing blows, and have fun. All right, you guys, so I need to take this bulb out. All right. Now, the good thing about this is we have our extension, so you don't have to be super tall, depending on your ceiling height. That is pretty bright right there. All right, it's on nice and tight. And yeah, you guys, this is 1000 lumens is pretty good in my little storage area right here. Now, if you have like a little workshop area, storage area, I know my other storage over there I could use as a workshop, but we got a whole bunch of storage stuff in there. So anyways, blah, 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 blah. So right now we have the light. As a matter of fact, let me come to y'all real quick. Okay, you guys, so the fan actually came on by itself and I can actually feel it on my legs over here. So it is blowing down pretty strong. Let me go under real quick just to see. Wow. Wow. This is amazing, you guys. Now, yes, I'm in a cool basement, but even if you're like maybe in your living room or somewhere, this thing is blowing strong. Woo, that feels good. All right, I'm gonna try hooking it up to the ceiling fan and see how that works. It's something fun to do, you guys. You know my channel, I like having fun. So let's see, let's hit the light real quick. All right, so we have light on and off, so we're gonna hit our light again. Oh, we gotta hold it. Okay, I think you gotta hold it for a little bit. Let's see. All right, light. Okay. Oh, so when you hit the light again, it turns different temperatures. Okay, got it. I like this. This is the bright white right here. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have fan off. So we're gonna hit fan off, and the fan is turning off right now as we speak. Let me see if I can turn down the dimness. So that's as dim as it gets, you guys, and it's still bright. All right, we're gonna turn fan on. Okay, so when you hit fan on, it don't come on. So let's hit 6 and see what happens. All right, so I hit the number and it came right on. So right here it says fan on and off. So right here it says fan on and off. But when you hit fan off, it turns off. When you hit fan on, it don't turn back on. You have to hit one of the numbers. So I'm gonna hit it again. So we have the fan turning off right now. Let me hit fan on. All right, so it don't turn on when you hit fan on. Once again, you got to hit the number. I hit number 6 and turns right on. So this button right here is forward blowing. Then you have reverse blowing, which is this button right here. And then here it says sleep air volume. Don't know what that means. I will try to look it up in the instructions somewhere. As usual, I will post everything for y'all. But here we go. So it's already going forward. Let's go reverse. All right, we hit the reverse button and it's going in reverse. Right here we have our sleep air volume. So tap that. All right, it's slowing down. It's going back regular. Oh, okay. It's like going like slow, then it's going fast. It's going slow, it's going fast. All right, so I'm going to turn. I want to go back regular. I'm gonna hit 6. All right, so it's going back regular how we had it. And wow, when you have it on 6, you guys, the fan is like super strong. We got 2 hours, 4 hours, and then 8 hours. Obviously, you know this is a timer, so you can set 2 hours and then it cuts off in 2 hours. All right, and that is it with this remote. We went over the brightness already. This is the switch off, so y'all know this is power off. And this over here, it says code, and I can barely read this stuff, you guys. So I'll post it because I can't see it. The words are so small on the instructions. So I will just probably be using one button out of here, and that is right there, 6, and go straight down because that's how I like my air. All right, you guys, so that will be it. I will probably do like a little fun video, me putting this on the ceiling fan that we currently have, just to see if we get more air circulating. It should be a fun video. I don't know if I'm gonna add it on this video, but if I don't, I will go ahead and just shut down this video right now. So that will be it. Okay, everyone, so unfortunately the fan is broke. Y'all hear that? All right, so I might go ahead and put in an exchange. I'm not sure, or I might look for a different one. But yeah, it worked for about a few weeks, and all of a sudden, I guess the fan must have burnt out, but this is the sound that I get. So yeah, unfortunately, the fan was good, you guys. My life. Well, yeah, my life was good too. My wife loves this fan, so she wanted to get some more to put around the house. So yeah, nice, simple little fan, but unfortunately, we can't use it. It don't even spin no more. But the light works, but it don't spin no more. So that will be it, you guys. So I had to chime this back in because I didn't upload the video yet. So luckily I didn't upload the video, but even if I did upload the video, I would have did another video to let y'all know that it's burned out. So if y'all haven't been subscribed to my channel for a while, if I still have a product and something happened, I will come back and, you know, revisit it and let y'all know how long or how is the product doing since I had it? I know a lot of people ask me that question a year later, how is the product? So a lot of people be asking me those type of questions. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next product review.